babes, mi amores, mi amigas. Hey y'all, today's video is all about this beautiful sensational Empress lace wig named Anya in the color 2. I'm gonna put the link in the description box so y'all know where to get this beautiful wig, okay?
Life, like, oh my gosh.
So this wig right now retails for $20.59. Sorry y'all if y'all see me looking down, I'm just looking at my phone because I wrote some notes. So altogether I paid around close to $30. Shipping was like $9 to $10, so it totaled out to be around $30 for this wig. Y'all, shipping was extremely fast. I ordered on a Friday. I don't believe they ship on weekends. I think it's just business days. So once I ordered that Friday, I got the wig that Tuesday. So you get your wig in about 2 to 3 days max. So if you order like on a Wednesday, I'm pretty sure you'll get your wig by Friday or Saturday, just like that. And I'm impressed, y'all. Like, I'm impressed. So I just wanted to tell y'all, wig didn't come exactly like this. I actually altered it a lot. So the regular wig, it comes to about below, let me come up. It comes to like right here to me. Pretty long. And I'm 5'9", 5'8", 5'9", 5'10", somewhere in that range. Good length. But for me, it's getting hot, girl. I can't be wearing long hot hair, so I chopped it. I cut it to this length. It's like right here. Let's see what else can I tell you about this amazing. I don't really add concealer to my parts, only because I feel like I don't need it. I'm gonna put a picture somewhere over here on how the wig looked like when I cut it, because right now it kind of have like this wet kind of look. Well, it kind of look flat and like very, you know, cute, real mamacita-ish, okay?
Real mamacita-ish, okay?
Because that's what I'm feeling, real mamacita. How I got this look, I'm actually doing a video, like right after this I'm gonna do a video on how I got this look. But anyways, it wasn't exactly like flat like this once I cut it, because once I did wear it out one time. I just cut it and put some baby hairs and that was it. I didn't do all the extra stuff to get it to look like this density. So yeah, it's gonna be a picture somewhere in this area showing you how it looked before, because it was like real poofy, real cute, real cute. I actually liked it. Shedding with this wig, shedding is very minimum. I don't really get a lot of shedding. Like, I rarely get shedding with this wig, and it's crazy because for this to be an inexpensive wig, it's like very high quality. Like, I'm in love with it. I had this hair almost a week now and it's still bomb, y'all. Like, this hair is still bomb. I've had it for like almost a week and it's still perfectly good condition. As long as you take care of your hair, you'll have it for a long time. Like, this is so pretty. I love this hair. When it comes to tangles, I don't really get tangles in this hair. Like, well, okay, there's minimum tangles, I'll say that. You do get some tangles, but it's not like a lot. I don't know if it's because I cut this wig, because I did see some reviews on this hair and everybody was like they got a lot of tangling in the back nape area. I don't really get that, I guess because I cut it. I don't know, maybe that's why I don't really get too much tangling. So yeah, when I was looking for reviews, I was looking for a style like this so I could kind of have like a guideline to go by. Finish the part, put it to the side, girl, cut it a little bit. You can't tell your girl nothing. It's a lot of styles you can do with this wig. I really love this. To flatten the top out, just put some mousse on the top and then tie your hair for about 15 to 20 minutes. This hair is very soft. I feel like I'm another ethnicity with this hair. Like, honey, you see it blowing in the wind right now. Y'all see it blowing in the wind? Jasmina, mamacita. Yes, y'all, so I give this hair a 5 out of 5. Love it. It's bomb. It's cute. It's perfect for right now. Like, the summertime coming, springtime, whatever you want to say. Definitely buy this again in different colors. I actually had this before, but I had a middle part because I didn't know what to do with it. Girl, go get you one. The link will be in the description box below, and make sure y'all stay tuned for the next video because I'm gonna show y'all how I got this